Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All the choicest words of praises for Almighty Allah. Honorable Director Sir, dignitaries on the dais, Honorable HOS, lecturers and teachers, and all my shining stars of Al-Rizwan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we have arranged a program, namely Shaping Young Minds to Pursue Their Career in Judicial and Litigation Field. The main purpose behind this program is to give inspiration and motivation to our students to pursue their career in judicial and litigation field. As we know that judicial and law department has a great impact on the society among the citizens. Through this judicial and law field, our students will become advocate, barristers, lawyers, justice, magistrates. So, inspiring and motivating our students for judicial and litigation field, we have invited Judicial Magistrate Mr. Safdar Khazi and Advocate Mubashirul Abidin. And Alhamdulillah, our students got very valuable information through the inspirational speeches of our honorable guest. So I offer my sincere thanks to honorable chief guests for their inspirational and valuable thoughts for our students. And I am hopeful that in coming year, the students of Al-Rizwan will pursue their career in judicial and litigation field, and inshallah in future the students of Al-Rizwan will achieve respective careers in judicial and law field. As this is a career guidance program as well as honor ceremony, we have given honor to Judicial Magistrate Mr. Safdar Khazi the Al-Rizwan Appreciation Award for achieving prestigious career in judicial field, and we give award to Advocate Mubashirul Abidin the Al-Rizwan Appreciation Award for achieving prestigious career in litigation field. Along with these two young aspirants, we have given honor to their respective parents as the Best Parent Award. As we know that the parents play a vital role in nurturing and upbringing the children. Their proper care, support and guidance make the children successful, and these parents are the best example of the best parents, as they deserve honor, respect, because their two children got respective career in judicial and litigation field. Their one son is SDM in MNC in IT field. Their one daughter is MTech in computer science, UGC net qualified, and she is pursuing PhD from Maulana Azad National University, Hyderabad. And their two daughters are government teachers. So the entire family is highly qualified. So keeping in mind the academic achievement of this family and the praiseworthy efforts of these parents, we have given them honor of best parents. So we have given the Best Parent Award to Mr. Shabirul Abidin and Mrs. Sayyida Zinat Fatima for their praiseworthy efforts and hard work for their children. Now, the main intention behind conducting this program is to give inspiration and motivation to our dear students. So through this platform, I want to give advice to my students that you should do hard work consistently if you want to achieve the respective careers in your life. Focused work is the key to success towards achieving your goal in your life. As you got a lot of valuable information through the speeches of honorable guests, and you should take proper benefit of this guidance and make your life successful. As you students very well know that Al Rizwan has a vision to lead the students towards the various respective careers. We want to make our students fully eligible for various respective careers. We want that the students of Al Rizwan should become IAS, IPS, IFS, lawyers, advocates, justice, magistrate, barristers, doctors, engineers, and many more. And for fulfilling our dream to lead you towards the highest respective careers, we have started MPSC UPSC Foundation exam since last year from 3rd to 8th class, and JEE and NEET Foundation exam from 8th to 12th class. So our intention is to make the students fully familiar with various competitive exams. These competitive exams which Al Rizwan has started is completely similar with the various competitive exams. So we are hopeful that our students will get familiar with the various competitive exams and they will become perfect in this competitive exam in future years. So I am hopeful that the students of Al Rizwan will be seen in every field of area in coming year, inshallah. Now through this admiring event, I offer my heartiest congratulations to honorable guests and my gratitude towards your precious presence, your valuable thought. And I offer my sincere thanks to the whole team of Al Rizwan. And lastly, I am praying from Almighty Allah that to lead the Al Rizwan on the highest peak of success and lead the students of Al Rizwan towards the highest peak of success. Thank you one and all. Allah Hafiz.